What is up, everybody? Today I wanted to do a video on the case I have been using for my Mavic 2 Pro. I got this PGY Tech, although I call it Piggy Tech because I think it sounds cooler, although I'm sure it's not called that. Yeah, this is the carrying case mini with a strap. Let's open this up and see what we got. So it's already unzipped, but yeah, as you can see here, it's a nice slim and compact case with nice padding in there and zipper that goes all the way around with a pocket on the back as well. So now I'll put the drone in there. Now just for purposes of this video, I am keeping the battery and the propellers on there. Normally I would not keep the battery in there. I usually just keep that in my bag separately, but it does close. And it doesn't sit very flush, which is some of the reviews that I did read online. However, it zips perfectly fine, and honestly I would rather have it snug in there than loose and banging around. And it has the pocket on the back, which is nice for the remote control, which I have right here. Nice thing about the Mavic 2 Pro, which I wish the first one had, are the joysticks are removable and they slide up in there, so you don't have them protruding out, which was one issue I always had with the first Mavic. I had to buy an additional guard so they didn't get knocked around in my bag. But yeah, they do fit. It's a little snug, so bear with me a moment. So if you're in a pinch and you want to use this as a standalone carrying case, this is perfectly acceptable. It has a strap on there, which the strap does not come off, I don't think. If you do get it off, you're not going to get it back on. But yeah, it does fit in there. But for me, I probably won't, because the whole purpose of me getting this case was something slim and compact that I could put inside of my camera bag, which I have right here. So I'm using the Peak Design, I think it's the 20-liter bag. And I just wanted something that the drone would fit down in there, so just like this, it goes right down in there, fits perfectly, and just like that, and we're ready to go. But yeah, I think I paid $27.99 for this case on Amazon. It's a pretty good deal, especially for me, because I was looking for something, obviously, that the smallest possible solution to carry my drone inside of my backpack. I just didn't feel comfortable with my drone sitting in the backpack without any kind of protection at all. I see a lot of people that do that online, but I don't know, you spend this much on a drone, you want to make sure that it's protected at all costs. So the big question is this the best case for the Mavic 2 Pro? For me, yes. I wanted something small that I could put inside of my backpack that's hard enough that nothing will happen to the drone while it's being transported. If you're looking for something a little more rugged, thick, and you also want to carry all the batteries, ND filters, extra propeller, stuff like that, you might want to look into a Pelican case. Those are very nice. A little more money than I wanted to spend just because I was going to be putting it in my bag anyways. But yeah, for me, this is the perfect solution. I'm so glad I found this. I had something very similar to this for my Mavic Pro that was, just like this, except it didn't have a strap right there or a remote control pocket in the back. But it was perfect, and of course it does not fit the Mavic 2 Pro. That's another thing I need to mention. The Mavic 1 does not fit in this case. So this is specifically designed for Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. But PGY Tech, Piggy Tech, did a great job with this case. I've been using it for a couple days now. I think the fabric actually stretched out a little bit because it doesn't close as hard as it did when I originally got it. So maybe I'll do an update over time, but I will leave the link to this product in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I probably won't post a lot of videos like this. I normally do more travel type videos. But I would really appreciate if you check out my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I don't have a catchphrase, but thanks for stopping by. Oh wait, that's Veronica Corningstone. Yeah, thanks for watching.